Okay, so we're going to talk about shunted and unshunted sockets. Here you have a socket where there's only two portholes on one side and the other side portholes are closed off, so this is a shunted socket. This is the same socket, but there's two portholes on one side and two on the other, so all four portholes for wiring means it's non-shunted. Also, there's no big S on the back with a circle I embossment, or a circle I embossment and either a red dot or if the circle I is red. So since it doesn't have any of that, that's also how you know it's unshunted. Here's Leviton brand sockets. There's two portholes for wiring, the other two are closed off, so it's shunted. Also, you can look on the back and there's a circle I embossment with a big S, so that tells you it's shunted. Same socket, all four portholes for wiring, so it tells you that it's non-shunted, so you can check to verify. And it is circle I compliant, but there is no big S. So because there's no S and there's no red dot on here, or the circle I isn't red, then it confirms that it is non-shunted. Here's two more sockets. This one shows all four portholes for wiring, but it does have the circle I and the circle I is red. So that means that this socket is shunted. So even though there's four portholes for wiring, because it has the red circle I, or if it had a circle I with a big S on the back or a red dot, that tells you it's shunted. This one has the four portholes for wiring, but as you can tell, it doesn't have that red circle I or any circle I on the back or any big S or a red dot, so it confirms that it is non-shunted. Last, we have sockets with wires. Because there's two wires on this socket, it's non-shunted. Same socket with one wire means it's shunted. You can take the two wires together and join them together. And if you connect it to the one wire from the ballast, now this is a shunted socket. You cannot, though, take the one wire from a shunted socket and make it non-shunted.